Hi mga katupa, kamusta kayong lahat? Welcome back to my channel dito sa Heartsheep. At in this video, I will teach you how to play How Great Is Our God by Tomlin. It was requested by Voltaire Uminga. Ayan, bro, ito na po yung request ninyo sa kantang ito, yung How Great Is Our God. I hope you all enjoy the video. Let's get started. Okay, the chords that we are going to use is key of G. Yan. So, yung chords ng intro natin dito ay G, E minor 7, C add 9, and then D. Then yung strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So down, 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 up, down, down, down. So 4 down, then 1 up. Then, pagsimula ng verse, so, pagkatapos ng intro sa may D, sulitin natin. Yung ginawa lang natin dyan, pagkatapos ng intro, diretso ng D, ng G, splendor, yan. Pagka down ng isa, saka papasok agad ng verse, splendor of the King. One more time. Yan. So, dalawang beses natin ulitin dyan sa may G, splendor of the clothed with majesty, clothed in majesty. E minor. Sa may clothed in majesty ay E minor or A minor 7. Splendor of the King, clothed in majesty, let all the earth rejoice. Joyce ay C add 9. All the earth rejoice. Stay sa C. Then, going back to G. He wraps himself in light, and darkness, E minor, and darkness tries to hide. Trembles of his voice, C add 9, and trembles of his voice. Then going to chorus, G again. How great is our God? Sing with me, how great, E minor, how great is our God, and all will see how great D is our God, G. Then after sa chorus, instrumental, pagtapos ng is our God, going to C, then D, then back to G, H to H, he stands. So same pattern. Time is in his hands, beginning in the end, and C, beginning in the end. Godhead three in one, Father, Spirit, Son, the Lion in the Lamb. See, the Lion in the Lamb. How great is our God. Sing with me, how great is our God. All will see how great is our God. Then C, then D, then papasok na ang bridge. Yung bridge, yung chords dyan ay para silang ng chorus and then verse. Name above all names, worthy of all praise. My heart will sing how great is our God. So ulitin natin sa pinakauna, si Play With Me. Splendor of the King, clothed in majesty, let all the earth rejoice, all the earth rejoice. He wraps himself in light, and darkness tries to hide, and trembles at his voice, trembles at his voice. How great is our God. Sing with me, how great is our God. All will see how great is our God. Age to age he stands, and time is in his hands, beginning in the end, beginning in the end. The Godhead three in one, Father, Spirit, Son, the Lion in the Lamb, the Lion in the Lamb. How great is our God. Sing with me, how great is our God. And all will see how great is our God. Name above all names, worthy of all praise. Well done mga katupa, at sana natutunan ninyo yung aking tinuro ngayon. If you have a request, just leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video. At kung gusto niyo pa mapanood yung mga bago kong videos, mga tutorials na aking i-upload sa channel na ito, just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga bagong videos na i-upload ko. Thank you so much mga katupa. See you in my next video. God bless you.